Recent leaks about the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max suggest a bold redesign and several hardware upgrades. One of the most noticeable changes is a new horizontal camera layout, with a sleek rectangular module stretching across the top of the device's back, housing 3 lenses, a LiDAR sensor, a microphone, and a flash. This marks a departure from the diagonal or square layouts seen in previous generations. There's also speculation that Apple may bring back an aluminum frame for the Pro models, replacing the titanium used in recent iPhones, possibly to reduce weight or refine the look. The back could feature a dual material design, with aluminum on the upper portion and glass on the lower half to maintain wireless charging capabilities. Internally, the device is expected to feature the powerful A19 Pro chip built on a 3nm process, alongside a bump to 12 GB of RAM, promising faster performance and smoother multitasking. Overall, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the most significant upgrades in years.